So we're going to talk about the Honda 86 VF500F Interceptor. At least it used to be, right? It's no longer Interceptor. Now it's a racer, cafe racer style. Everybody's been building CB750s and KZ1000s and all that other stuff, and I wanted to build one of those too, but I said no, let's try something else. So when this came out, I was of a certain age. It made a definite impact. I have a slideshow of where I built it. Before I started doing video, I just took a lot of pictures. So maybe the next time I do one, I'll run video. But I cut the rear hanger off. Used to go up to here. Remounted it up here. Solo seat only. This is the original seat. I just had it recovered. It's got the V groove in there for, comfort. This is a gunslinger hugger from Sargent. Came off my BMW. It's permanently mounted now. It's got a little bit of storage in there. Put your wallet. Cleaner for your face shield. All that kind of stuff. I resectioned the whole rear end so all of the electronics are up underneath the tank. The battery, fuse box, all of that kind of stuff is underneath the tank. These are NCR 400 flip pegs, rear sets. I tapped the frame, welded in a nut so that they screw in. The frame's been powder coated. The front end is a '06 Buell with the Buell front end, front wheel, front suspension, clip-on bars. And then I added this bug shield recently just to change it up a little bit. It's running an Acewell instrument, right? So it's all electronic and runs through all of the whatever it is you want to know. I changed the shift pattern on it to MotoGP style just because I did. I know these don't match, right? It bothers me too, but it was a Craigslist bike in multiple pieces, and so these are eBay stuff. The clutch side, which was like this, disintegrated. And then I couldn't find this one again, so I bought this one. Actually, maybe I bought this one again, put it on there, disintegrated again, so now I'm running this one. We'll see how long it lasts. So I know the wheels don't match, right? So we got '06 Buell front end. And then the rear, I want to say is 91 CBR 600. So it's CBR rear wheel, CBR 600 monoshock with an adapter kit for both in order to get them to fit. And that's about as wide as you can go because the tire has like this much clearance between the swing arm. When I was building it, I went a little nuts. Again, because I could, so I replaced all the bolts with socket cap screws, Allen heads. Most of them are titanium. Does it make it lighter? It feels like it does. It's light already because most of it's missing. And then Buell's got the lightest front wheel. The only thing I wish it had was more horsepower. So in the future, there will be a video series where I remove the stock exhaust. I cut the rear end of the exhaust on, had to re-weld on the bottom so I could get the downward angle on those. Those are just the beginning of the stock muffler, and I just cut them off. But I'm going to build a true 2-into-1 system. and haven't decided if it's going to sweep up or if it's going to come up and run out the back. Maybe I'll do both. I don't know. We'll see. I'm unhappy about this. It used to be clear, braided, but it hazed up over time. So I'm going to have to replace those two. All in all, it's a blast to drive. So we're going to go drive it. You're going to get to ride along. I don't know what the sound quality is going to be like, but we'll see. Let me get suited up, and then we'll go through the start procedure. So what I like to do is turn it off, leave it off, and then spin the motor until the oil pressure comes up. These things have a problem with the rear cam getting the oil. Gotta find my choke.